Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that can truly change your life. Building healthy habits. We're focusing on sustainable changes you can make for long-term health and wellness. Now let's get started. We're going to break down 12 simple yet incredibly effective habits that can boost your immune system, increase your energy levels, and just make you feel amazing inside and out. Stick around. I promise you won't regret it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future health tips. First things first, let's talk about hydration. Staying properly hydrated helps with everything from digestion and energy levels to clearer skin and better workouts. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day as a reminder to keep sipping. Pro tip: if you're struggling to drink plain water, try infusing it with fruits like lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. You've heard it before, and I'll say it again. You are what you eat. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Think whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Get creative in the kitchen and find ways to make nutritious food delicious. Let's be real, nobody expects you to become a marathon runner overnight. But incorporating at least 30 minutes of physical activity into your day most days of the week can make a world of difference. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or simply taking a brisk walk in the park. Exercise not only helps with weight management but also reduces stress, improves sleep, boosts your mood, and strengthens your heart and lungs. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Think of sleep as your body's chance to recharge and repair itself. Not getting enough sleep can lead to a weakened immune system, increased risk of chronic diseases, and even affect your mood and cognitive function. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep. Let's face it, life can be stressful. But finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for both your mental and physical health. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, increasing your risk of everything from heart disease to anxiety and depression. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine like mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Even taking a few deep breaths and focusing on the present moment can make a difference. Your mental health matters. We all have our guilty pleasures, but making a conscious effort to limit processed foods and sugary drinks can have a significant impact on your health. Processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, sodium, and artificial ingredients that can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Small changes like swapping sugary drinks for water or herbal tea can make a big difference over time. Remember, healthy eating is not about deprivation, it's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Good hygiene isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and staying healthy. Simple habits like washing your hands regularly with soap and water, especially before meals and after using the restroom, can significantly reduce the spread of germs and infections. Practice good oral hygiene by brushing and flossing your teeth twice a day. Remember, good hygiene is a simple yet powerful way to protect yourself and those around you from getting sick. Let's talk about alcohol. While an occasional drink might not be harmful for most adults, excessive alcohol consumption can have serious negative effects on your health. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For women, that means up to 1 drink per day, and for men, up to 2 drinks per day. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Let's be blunt, smoking is one of the worst things you can do to your body. It damages nearly every organ, increases your risk of heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, and a host of other serious health problems. If you're a smoker, quitting is the single best thing you can do for your health. Talk to your doctor about resources and support systems available to help you quit. Your body will thank you for it. Humans are social creatures. and maintaining strong social connections is crucial for our mental and emotional well-being. Spending time with loved ones, joining social groups, and engaging in activities you enjoy can boost your mood, reduce stress, and provide a sense of belonging. Make an effort to nurture your relationships, schedule regular time with friends and family, and don't be afraid to reach out for support when you need it. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and forget to take breaks. But incorporating short breaks throughout your day is essential for both your physical and mental health. If you have a sedentary job, set reminders to get up and move around every hour. Remember, taking breaks isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for maintaining focus, reducing stress, and preventing burnout. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's about shifting your perspective to focus on the positive aspects of your life. Practicing gratitude has been linked to increased happiness, improved relationships, and even better physical health. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, whether it's your health, your loved ones, or simply a warm cup of coffee in the morning. Gratitude is a simple yet powerful way to cultivate more joy and contentment in your life. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these 12 healthy habits helpful and feel inspired to make some positive changes in your own life. Remember, small steps can lead to big results over time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.